Chapter 3: Continents and Oceans on the Earth. Introduction. The surface of the earth is covered with land and water. The sky blue color part in the picture represents the ocean or the water bodies on the earth. Earth's maximum area is covered with water and the rest is with land mass. A natural collection of water on the surface of the earth is called a water body. Earth's surface: water, ocean and sea, land, continents. Let me answer. Can you name any ocean? Fact finder: Australia is an exception because it is a continent as well as a country. Continents. A continent is a large area of land on the surface of the earth. Continents are separated from each other by water or other natural features. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The continents cover 1/3 area of the earth. Asia is the largest continent on the earth. Australia is the smallest continent. Continents are the homes of the various countries on the earth. Do you know? Tectonic plates are broken pieces made up of the earth crust. These are also called crustal plates. Subcontinent. The landmass having an area smaller than a continent is called a subcontinent. A subcontinent is split from the rest of a continent by something like a mountain range or by tectonic plates. A subcontinent is different from the continent on the basis of some geographical or political factors. Central America, the Middle East and Greenland are examples of subcontinent. The Indian subcontinent. India is called a subcontinent because it has a distinct landmass. It has many features of a continent but is not big enough to be considered a continent. The Indian subcontinent is located in the south of the Asian continent. The Indian subcontinent consists of India, Bhutan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Let me answer. What is the difference between a sea and an ocean? Research and analysis. How many oceans are there in the world? Write any 3 types of things the ocean provide us with in the given space. A very large body of water is called an ocean. The oceans cover 2/3 areas of the earth. The 5 main oceans of the world are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean on the earth. Health and wellness. 1/3 of the earth is full of water. We use water for various reasons, but do you know where we get water from? How does water help us in our survival? Sea. A sea is defined as a portion of the ocean that is partially surrounded by land. Typically, the seas are partially enclosed by land. The difference between ocean and sea. The sea is smaller than the oceans and is usually located where the land and ocean meet. Examples: Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, Black Sea and so on. Indian Heritage Connect. Indian knowledge systems have always valued the concept that all lives come from the ocean. We all know that we get water from oceans, seas, rivers, etc. But do you know why other water of ocean is salty but not the river water? Summary. Continent. A continent is a large area of land. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Subcontinent. The landmass having an area smaller than a continent is called a subcontinent. India is a subcontinent. Ocean. A very large body of water is called an ocean. The 5 main oceans of the world are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. Sea. A sea is defined as a portion of this ocean that is partly surrounded by land. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Raju recently traveled through the Indian Ocean or ship. Have you ever traveled by ship? If yes, then tell your experience. Neha visited the European continent and is telling her story. Search for any one of the countries of the European continent and tell the class about it. Cross-curricular connect. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Imagine there is no land on the earth. The earth is fully covered with water. Now, how will you survive? List the essential things needed to cope with the crisis. Logical decision making. Save water. Which one would you choose to do? Put a tick in the right boxes. Let's practice. A. Write short answers to the given questions. 1. How many continents are there on the earth? 2. Write the name of the continent that has no country. 3. Write the name of the largest ocean. 4. Write the names of countries in the Indian subcontinent. B. Write long answers to the given question. 1. What do you understand by continent? 2. Write the difference between continent and subcontinent. 3. Differentiate between ocean and sea. 4. Define the ocean. State the name of the oceans on the earth. C. Find their meaning. Surface, ocean, sea. D. Fill in the blanks. 1. The landmass having an area smaller than the continent is called dash. 2. Dash is the largest continent on the earth. 3. Dash is the water body found on the margins of the ocean and partly surrounded by land. 4. The large area of land on the surface of the earth is called dash. E. Multiple choice questions. 1. The dash covers 2/3 area of the earth. 1 ocean, 2 rivers, 3 sea, 4 land. 2. How many continents are there on the earth? 1 7, 2 3, 3 8, 4 4. 3. The dash ocean is the largest ocean. 1 Pacific, 2 Atlantic, 3 Arctic, 4 Indian. 4. A large body of water is called as dash. 1 sea, 2 ocean, 3 river, 4 pond. F. Match the following. Column A. 1 India. 2. Continent in between Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. 3. Continent covered with the ice. 4. Ocean on the North Pole. Column B. A. North America. B. Asia. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Antarctic. Conceptual understanding. Explain how the sea is different from an ocean. Give any 2 reasons. Writing skills. Write some points on the given pictures.